It's your
Come
turn.
on. Bucks, come on.
I stand in formation. I stand in the straight and vulnerable position with both feet connected, ready to march upon the uncompromising soil of the enemy. My muscles tighten, my eyes are cold and focused as I prepare my locusts to destroy the enemies I've chosen. In the hours of bloodthirsty vengeance, I unleash my counterattack on those who murdered a 7-year-old child named Eric Williams. As I walk towards my passionate payback, I reminisce over the late Eric Williams, tapping into the dead boy's memoirs of dread, overshadowed by malice's acid. A slaughtering in a mental dimension is what happened to him. Destroyed in the most brutal, cruel, and inhuman way that it caused the mental matrix to break. I watched it all unfold as I witnessed elderly peers and teachers cast stones at his cerebrium, soaked in fiery ether. I watched it all occur as teachers teased and taunt his efforts, destroying him in a demented plot. Laughing, saying the only kids of his will be nicks and dimes. Laughing, saying the only wife he will have is that block and that Glock. Elderly peers says he's going to be a menace. Laughing because his father was incarcerated. Laughing at the blood, sweat, and tears his mother shed daily. Poking, jabbing, stabbing at the 7-year-old self-esteem that made him bleed and made him even have horrible dreams. Nobody else to turn to but the hustlers and dope fiends, confused in a realm of lost parasites until he finally died for the million lives and now he's no longer alive. But the little boy still cries within the closet on my suppressed emotion. He remains broken inside because he felt his dream slowly die. He was cremated and upon his ashes sprouted Gucci Base Phillips. And why Gucci Base Phillips' counterattack will initiate, firing back like when American bombs fell upon Hiroshima. And now, I can only laugh. Because my enemies knows not my plot of avoided bloodbath. Then it begins, breaking the silence with a marching left foot and right foot. Baffled by my resurrected body, my enemies scatter. Because those plans were stepped on like soda cans from the rap of this young man. I began to fire off rounds of truth, destroying every lie they applied, destroying every curse with the ultrasonic burst. This is not the death of living person, but the death of my insecurities, death to the fear in me, and death to Eric Williams crying. And now I'm shooting middle fingers at those crooked cops who made me walk home shoeless, who said I would never be shit, who said I would never be a maker, who said I would never make it out the swamps of life, and now I left those swamps with a pair of new alligators. So I'll be damned if I forgive, I'll be damned if I let their curse to live, I'll be damned if I don't devour Eric's blockades and obstacles too, and throw them up like some sour tofu. And now, this young man is setting mics on fire upon the stage and going on poetic rampage, and I am his amplifier, his armor vessel. I leave the words harder than concrete or metal, prepare for combat, click clack, those towards the other's mental gap. Bang for the enemies on our sight, bang for all my sleepless nights, bang for your trickery that was true, bang for your peace, your passions, and everybody who loves you. Many stand forth, but few will be left. I will fight unconditionally until my mouth says so long to my breath. My clothes are the choice, the open life is the voice, representing the broken, lost in the land of the damned. Click clack, it's time for another counterattack. So my enemies don't go to sleep, keep those eyes open, because Eric Williams lives and hits so.